Ever read something and thought, wow, I really needed that, versus something that made you go, okay, but now what? The difference? Some writing just fills space. The best content solves readers' problems. Hi, this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip. Today we're talking about how to create content so useful people don't just read it, they bookmark it, share it, and act on it. The Content Marketing Institute found that practical, actionable content doesn't just boost engagement, it builds trust. But here's the part they don't usually mention. It's not about what you think is useful. For instance, a client recently forwarded an email from one of their potential customers saying they were going to follow up on a tip I ghost wrote in the client's blog. The customer didn't just read it or hit like. It inspired action. That not only made me smile, it made me realize how important it is to create content that doesn't just sound smart, but makes an impact through helping readers solve their problems, with advice they can use right away. But how do you do that? Keep watching and I'll show you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and for a free checklist to help you create content that reaches the right clients, see the link in the video description. Certain types of informational content build a relationship with your readers through news they can use. The more they get to know, like, and trust you, the more engaged they'll be. Some ways to make that happen include guiding readers through step-by-step instructions to solve problems, whether through clear writing, visuals, or a mix of both. Providing relevant tips, tools, or templates that help them take the next step, not just general advice, but something they can use right away. Adding a unique insight from your own experience, even if it challenges conventional wisdom or goes against the grain. People appreciate fresh perspectives that make them think. The most useful informational content creates what I call a proximity effect, bringing your audience closer to their desired outcome, through giving them what they need most when they need it. Here's how to create content they'll actually use. The Use framework. 1. You. Unmistakable instructions. Instead of improve your email open rates, show how. Audit your last 10 subject lines. I'll show you my actual spreadsheet. Identify the exact patterns in your top 3 performers, or create a template with the winning elements. Then show them the results. Old approach, 22% open rate. New approach, 47% open rate. That's not just a win, that's a glow up, the email equivalent of swapping sweatpants for a tailored blazer. S. Simplified tools. The second element of truly useful content is providing tools that simplify complex processes. 4 types that can inspire action. A quick start checklist gets people moving fast. A decision-making framework helps them make better choices. A progress tracker keeps them accountable. A ready-to-use template, like my easy 5-step business e-newsletter template. What would you rather have right now? A theory about content strategy, or B, a ready-to-use content template? Hint, the right answer is the one that's most practical, the one that you can use right away. Number 3, E, expectation, challenging insights. This is where most content creators fail, providing insights that challenge conventional wisdom. Here's something that might surprise you. It can sometimes be more effective to create less content, not more. Why? A National Institutes of Health study found that a clear, committed content marketing strategy that meets quality standards and your target audience's needs is more effective. Why this works? Quality over quantity. 1 solid piece outperforms 5 mediocre ones. Focus on implementation. Give people space to actually use your advice. Perceived value. Well-researched, actionable content builds trust and signals expertise. How do I come up with useful content? I track and test questions people ask, problems that come up repeatedly, solutions I've tested, and feedback from my audience. I aim to package that information into formats people can use. Warning: the biggest mistake people can make with useful content is solving problems their audience doesn't have, like offering a 12-step funnel strategy to someone still figuring out what a funnel is. Before you hit publish, ask yourself, would my audience want to bookmark this? Does this help them take action? Is this something they'll refer back to? If your answer is yes, you're on the right track. Let's go create content worthy of an instant save, and maybe even a slow clap. What's the most useful piece of content you've ever read or created? Share your thoughts in the comments. In the next video, I'll cover how consistent content creation can boost engagement, part of the system I use to help myself and clients create reliable content pipelines without burning out. For more writing tips and techniques, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And for your free content creation checklist, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.